guys. Today is Saturday, the second day of the bagger and super hooligan races here at Daytona International Speedway, and I was here all day yesterday shooting photos, a little bit of video too, which you'll see here. But man, it has been a crazy weekend. You know, I got the chance to shoot at the Sons of Speed vintage bike races last weekend. Man, what an awesome time that is. I tell you what, if you've never had a chance to go check it out, you at least got to go watch it for a little bit, because these guys are phenomenal. And girls, by the way. I think there were 4 lady racers at last weekend's races. They were just incredible. These old bikes, anywhere from 70 to 100 years old, are running on a short track, speeds up to 90 miles an hour, no brakes on the bikes whatsoever. It is just a phenomenal time. You really got to respect these guys. A lot of young people, some professional racers were out there, just doing it for fun, I guess, you know. Seeing these guys all dressed up in their vintage leathers and their old boots, you know, as opposed to here at the racetrack where you see them all in brand new leathers with brand names all over them. You know, these are just some old boys that are working in their garage, and you know, in some cases are on a shoestring budget. Some of these guys are wearing Rolexes and, you know, have the money to do whatever they want. The guys are just, you know, sharing tools, sharing engines in some cases. One guy blew up a motor, and these are not cheap bikes. Remember, these are vintage bikes, and some of them go north of 6 figures, if you can believe that. These guys are out just racing them like it's nothing, you know, like it's a $500 bike. But anyway, that was last weekend. The other day I got up to the strip here on Main Street in Daytona for Bike Week, obviously, and got a great bunch of photos there, a little bit of video also too. Man, I just love Bike Week on Main Street at sunset. The images are just so gorgeous because the sun is setting right behind the buildings. It was a beautiful day. We got some beautiful glow. There was this dude out there that was playing in a band, AC/DC tribute band at Main Street Station. He actually got up off stage and went out into the crowd, or out into the street, I should say, and just started jamming in the street. It was killer. It was really cool. I got a bunch of images of that. But anyway, I just wanted to tell you guys what was going on. I know we haven't been putting out videos because I've been so busy over the last week and a half getting ready for all this stuff. And it's only been a few weeks since we put a video out, but I wanted to really get back on track this year and get you guys some great content. And we're going to do that. We're going to keep it up. So stay tuned. I want you to see the video from the track here at Daytona and show you what we've been doing here. So anyway, check it out. There's Pat.
Apparently I'm Mr. Chow today, so.
You're what?
I'm Mr. Chow today, thanks to this.
Mr. Chow.
Probably wider than the one we
I pulled up wearing this glasses just like it looked like Leslie Chow from f***ing Hangover.
It's heavy. She loves that bike. No, she does not love that bike. What's going on, guys?
It's my bopper.
It's Brian at Two Indians, and we're up at Daytona Bike Week at the Speedway. And here is where test rides and everything. And came up here with some friends.
Lowrider ST.
My friend Chris, my friend Pat,
Tilted or pulled back.
and Michelle.
Yeah.
Just up here having a good time. Glad you guys came along with us. Let's go have some fun today, all right? All right, time to go downtown. Michelle, Main
Street.
People watching. What's up, girl? Oh my gosh, we just pulled up to the Orman Garage and look who's here. World famous Jeff Baca, JT McLean, the one and only,
In the flesh.
the greatest unsung hero, Indian ambassador, and Miss Maggie. Woo, I'm a lucky man.
How are you?
I'm doing great. Hey, I'm Brian.
Hi, Brian. I'm Lissa. I'm Jeff's wife.
Shit, guess what? I'm running out of battery. Finally get here to the Orman Garage and I'm almost out of battery. What am I gonna do?
What's in there?
I have no idea what they put on this camera, but we're gonna find out in just a minute.
Welcome everybody to Orman Garage. It is two Indians. New and improved. And new and improved. We got some more culture in this channel now, so we're extra woke since we know.
Look at my orange finger.
Brian's gonna get canceled.
Really good. Really good. Good to see you. It's good to see you.
Same old spooky story. Take a trip down south into the road. The sun's
Sign my belly.
Look at that! So I absolutely did not do Tim Sutherland and Lloyd's Greer justice with that filming there at the Orman Garage. Man, that was just terrible. That's what happens when other people get a hold of your camera and when you've been shooting at the Speedway all day and you're just exhausted. But anyway, it was an awesome evening and we had a great time. And thanks to Tim and Lloyd and everybody that was there. It was great seeing everybody again. So I'm kind of gonna wrap it up right here, but before we go, I want to show you a lot of my best shots from the Speedway and from Sons of Speed, because kind of that's what the whole weekend was about for me, was, you know, getting a little more into my photography aspects. And you know, if you follow me on Facebook and on Instagram at Ride with Two Indians, or on my photography pages, which is at B Remington Photo Video. Also, I have the website, also B Remington Photo Video. If you want to check out all my work there, you can go do that. But if you just want to look at it here and be lazy, that's cool too. So check it out. Thanks again for watching, guys. Two Indians. I'm out. Oh, I got some ribs in the smoker. Do you want to see them? You want to see them? Ooh, look at that. Good stuff, man. Can't wait. They got a couple hours to go still. Anyway, thanks again, guys. Two Indians, I'm out.
really